How to download and install Alibaba on iPhone. Looking to start sourcing products with the Alibaba app on your iPhone? This guide shows you how to download and install the app quickly and easily so you can get started right away. First, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. You'll see a search icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it and open the search bar. In the search bar, type Alibaba. You'll see the app's official icon in the search results. Tap on it to go to the app's page right here. The app is free to download, so you don't need to worry about any costs. Now tap the Get button or the cloud icon with an arrow if you've downloaded it before. You'll need to use a Face ID, Touch ID or Apple ID password to confirm the download. Once it's done, the app will appear on the home screen and you're ready to start sourcing products. You've successfully downloaded the Alibaba app. Get ready to find some great products for your business. Like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials.